Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic Revolution series AirTag Keychain. It's a keyring case with a cover compatible with Apple AirTag. So it's a blue in color. As you can see, this comes in this protective covering. So let me just take it out. So this is very rugged and good with this carabiner, like with the keychain. And the AirTag will be really like secure. You can see there is no opening here. So this is pretty flexible and tight. So let me just put in my AirTag. So need to be careful because this one is little tight. So you once it's put in, and you can see that it fits really well. There's no way it will come out, and then you can just use it the way you want. You can use it here as a keychain, put things. And this is a scratch resistant and anywhere use. So this is a quick and easy application for this AirTag cleaner and the use. So it's pretty much safe and good quality.